Asats Masi, you few days Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Adriana Stars, no, Basu Kwesi. And I mean, we say TV station, Kesben TV has been confirmed to showcase and as to televise this particular game, they won't details, kaka, bro, if you are weekend, Ghana Premier League, no, MTN FA Cup, a home sem, and ye Asia, Fia. Now, MTN FA Cup, Kobono, a home sem, but Adriana Stars, and a Kotoko. Any omo na aduana for no assurance any promises omo de ama omo playing body no enya asem ketwa yebebo awrem Kotoko'S so enra the leadership of the supporters and former circles and penny for omo nyina akọ Kotoko'S training ground na Kotoko'S ebo but the whole sem ebro ofia Kotoko'S we ni hwan na share Kotoko'S goals no ni nyina no eka ho bia me de ehia ewo fie ahase Accra has folks say, very almost bit and bit of news, bro. Danny Dana. Was it Nano normal pointing opinion your friend Julian Emuna, former head of department or the Ghana Football Association, and now the NCC Equiciano, and now so you're unveiling to the technical team of Accra House of Folk. No details Accra about this particular story. With the Asia, fear I have said. CAF lances a course Ghana to say coaches are only lances by the end of this month 17th to 27th the course is supposed to be done now pass here when a CAF lances who are the coaches are course we but the one sem ebro na time ben so na eba so when and where is it coming on Nina no ha bede Asia fie ha say me pacho say yekoya ni ma Black Queens so once a match this year and I bebo WAFCON no say Morocco for no ka say omun hosti na emom no na no nchi wa hye we buy na say o pa like akra regardless of everything the WAFCON will be coming on information I been say can say Ghana ekobo 4 nation tournaments Ghana Black Queens a 4 nation tournament to prepare for this particular WAFCON so you February you free February come March emre ni ho sao January na you no aya na you fi say you January to say you February enti and also and nsem kakra former sports minister Nilante Vanderpool and nsem bi atudwa about Semenyo na I think say Semenyo nsem or cano no crep I was here highlighting the busamun chirimu the lanti I comment be about Semenyo and also who have made Asia Albert Amoah and a big appointment na Albert Amoah appointment na when appointment be ni na no makabuma be Asia the Royal Super no so a Super 24 TV me made jubadi en hu chiame no your friend Nazar Hamza ubetimi afreme the blog man yes join the Kotoko'S reaction 0247 10 7260 0247 10 7260 na yendi kasubom no together ye jaboafo mesrew sa wo dwade hu dawro bi na pese wo ba mesrew fabra na yendi hu dawro yembo hu dawro ma your 4 platform here the TikTok platform no the WhatsApp platform the Facebook platform and the champion YouTube platform idujuma no e wa ha no so with all these platforms so but your friends see na yendika subum no na uni dwuma die bia na say uni dwade hu ton bia person bo hu dawro kra regardless so person support ya obetimi afre and also obetimi WhatsApp here na nkomodie no ya taking it up from there with us bibiri otu fo nyankopon e show bia na a date no the date no yes the date is 7th na yemfa message we enante as a light for a path and Royal Super no so na yenko yenim sa pepepe and message a yede enante ne say moma yendi nokra ema yenhu ne yenhu ye bia no onokra obedi no and na obi recommend inti de wo ye bia no fa nokra ne fa akoma kan enante sa wo de akoma kan nante a aya na wo ni say de wo ye no nipa bi fun inti but menu afa akoma kan nante sa wo de akoma kan nante a ho aba no edoso pa ɛwɔ atasifoɔ asase so ɛne the hereafter enti yɛmfa akomapan ɛne no korɛ ɛnyɛ yɛ bibia yɛyɛ bia. Without much ado, let me go straight into the stories for you. Na yɛnkɔ yɛ nim ba no wano. Said the mechanic this weekend there is no Ghana Premier League. Now the no your Dreams FC any Inter Allies a MTN FA Cup run of 16 games near 8 games. Now your run of 16 we are 8 teams. Let's just say the Europe quarter final no. Inti say na your Dreams FC any Inter Allies. Dreams FC were Ghana Premier League no and Inter Allies or Division 1. And True Life Academy has for number 4 no. Omone Heart of Lions and the bepem so you're saying lower tie side and Premier League side and ebekoso and 11 wonders Premier League no one Atram Divisa another lower tie side and the bepem so now you been Midiama and Samates no Premier League for me no and the beyam so Midiama and Samates. We are near saying a Premier League for me, the game of the weekend. Asante Kotoko, any Adriana and Edebepem so our Babaya Sports Stadium. No me and Sakong that game nation here. A boy Adriana for a show place in Yasem get to 7,000 Ghana cedis in the idea. Adriana most says Kawina. More fun investing with the mobile Bokotoko Modebe May here. Now and also everywhere Techiman Liberty and Real Tamale United and so at the Bepim so Techiman Liberty and Real Tamale United and also a game at that fixture so MTN FA Cup this weekend. Nations FC that's who move. Nations FC they swedrew All Blacks and Ebebo. Nations FC Ebebo swedrew All Blacks. Na Brekum Chelsea and Tamale City and so at the Apem so Brekum Chelsea and Tamale City and so at the Bayam so ewo Brekum hono. The way Mr. Bobo no. Ye wa o bedi kan bo udi no. Una obebu fee first. Wa bedi kan bo udi no. Una obebu fee first. Na afi yenko into the stories na yen sorry nkonya so. Ene Friday na yenko Juma. Aduana FC4 debi enra Kotoko. Ene Adom FC ebobo. Adom FC no third division side or area ho Madakojachi area or Kotoko from na Kotoko mo kakra bi se mo jintonsuo na ye no mo na Kotoko esho mo 2-1 goals no mienu nyina was scored by Kwame Poku Beye and the ball 2 goals no ye hu Kwame Poku se or starting for Kotoko ache ye nim sa MTN FA Cup against Aduana no coach Abdulkarim Zito will start him to say Kotoko front one options no endorsements. Dogo Yakubu ewo ho, Donzo ewo ho, Albert Amoah ewo ho, and Kwame Poku ewo ho. At any point in time, I will say Emumi no na start. Inti coach na to bia no start Donzo and then Dogo to bia no start Albert Amoah and then Donzo. By who so start Kwame Poku so far. You better say this time around best start Kwame Poku ene Dogo anase Kwame Poku ne Albert Amoah yehwe osiada ena ebekire enti anura game e call so no Kwame Poku the ball 2 goals no e ma akro bia Asante Kotoko ukuma apem beba isa mutu yemfa nkotwa lutu da so na anura after the game no and the leadership of Asante Kotoko supporters current and the former for any players ni share no motemte masa na nze mo performance na de enye mo yen ka no kre untimi nkoma good performance ade be chipe kwa akobobo no asa akoma bad performance the inconsistency in the performance the enye kra and the management and I say the former executives and the current ones no made it point blank and they told the players say masa monkey come home in the course of the football season, you intimi saki players. Okay, just anka some of you keep trouble, but pressure be aba na coach. So I know, and I am for say coach Abdulkarim Zito onko na Leonardo Navy, and I say CK Akono Emra. Nina no and akofa nkomudi we nyina ba nka mo players so nke intimi saka mo in the course of the season kamu mu bebre kura no kenye se nka mo ha intimo nke kamo mo de bo ho na asem emfa na asem enko consistent performance na muntimi ma no have been pant it was a whole lot of talk and omo catch the players no to abemo omo also simple as that omo some omo kan nyina no omo show omo cry because to be very honest performance no so na enra na Jeff Edibetu just said a number of referees or a number of coaches or Ghana omukra lenses B omude lenses A calf lenses A no now the coach Premier League into her coach or a very say fine coach but a bit more effort ways I do my chichimu Johnson Smith on only lenses A calf lenses A okra lenses B na Ghana Premier League na yebo no a home run and she say I just say winner lances A calf lances A and san wa coach Ghana Premier League side there no people say na nipa no ni lances A then no coach Premier League side you see Valentin Mo Hamza or Bemo there are a whole lot of coaches in the Ghana Premier League or muni Winifred Dom or more muni lances A no ba omo coach Ghana Premier League side mame mamu nchichi mo Ghana na yemra batem de etimi biti mra no eye bibi enti the ayo omo ye ne say coach a okra lances A no omo de ni din ebeba team sheet no so na wo na coach no omo beka say we na coach in krata mu no na omo de maybe Joseph Valentin and I say emphasis Swedro Oblast in example Swedro Oblast aye na yo coach Sam Smith Johnson Smith only lances A but omudi ni din ebetima him as assistant coach ukra lances B and as a technical team member ukra lances B no omudi ni din team names no so no PM ewo inner perimeter no so you call inner perimeter so na ye na aduma untimi megaze on free because or a part of the technical team but in kata emudi dey Oma file different name. About what I say. Nti ono on paper no. Ya dey say oya assistant coach but ujinem na o coach because obi enu ho kra lances e wo. What I say. Eno ene the amanfo ye no. Nti CAF for no abakrom Ghana Man Soccer Center of Excellence so 17th to 27 10 days no mo dey kwa akoye. Nti number of coaches no including Ghana Black Stars assistant coach John Pence Onilansis and assistant coach. The John Pence is the only team coach Ghana Premier League side, but assistant coach our Black Stars. It you know I feel no so quite there. I'm told say Yaya Hamza or Ben Soko be Joseph Valentin more a dinner Dawson with drum or munina I feel no more calf lances a coaching course no many almost certificate no and only information can crack. No be dey air down e super no so I know your rich content into uba now bitia I say you educate you about everything so far as sports is concerned you understand and also I don't know Nilante Vanderpool make a very salient point and Nilante point I will make in say not saying Chebia Ghana be World Cup and Oko Europe is here one of Ghana's star boy or making names man. He's even currently ahead of Kudus Mohammed, which is Semenyo, Antoine Semenyo. Antoine Semenyo, Tama no Benamef no Bobo, no Palma who say Bobo. Nanu ya call Manchester City no, or Bobo no man who say Bobo no. However, player Iba Black Stars are you huni. Player Iba Black Stars are you huni, Dien, and sa question no, and Nilante Vanderpool, former sports minister, also beside the same thing say na ade a ekosu no ha adwen nti ono no performance boy no man no elsewhere with the clubs no adentina technical team the Black Star any player na nkasa nso omonkom ntoma mmom na ontimi ma equally good performance when it comes to the Black Stars because ontimi nkoma top class performance or clubs over Black Stars ani what's the point? What's the essence? It's or call it on the technical team and Antoine Semenyo knows one kasa say ebe ko World Cup you only the oye the city no the oye the BMF no Oba Blasters omienhu at the World Cup. Ebi Ghana yetima qualify to the group stages. And also ene nsema Dilante Vanderpool edi tudwa. Now Kumasi Asante Kotoko player Amoah. Me say Amoah asemu e me de bia meka because sa amade sa anka yenka asem ni fie na asem aba. Me no ka say Unilever Babe pointed Amoah as ambassador. Once and not too long ago, and more appointed Black Stars goalkeeper Benjamin Asare as an ambassador for Unilever products. Ghana Unilever almost sponsor very top players in Europe, and almost sponsor CAF, almost sponsor FIFA. Now saying no more on the Ghana market, and now clubs no partner. For instance, clubs are qualified to CAF Champions League and the CAF Confederation Cup. Now say no person almost signing individual players. Not individual players no ambassadors of product no. Enti na no and omone Benjamin Asare wie. And obaba Kumasi no. Say no information amesaka ne say omone Amoah wie a Kotoko against Aduana and as a Kotoko against Hasa Ebaso the following weekend no. After this weekend no, they are going to unveil Amoah as ambassador for Unilever Ghana. It's a big endorsement deal wenya. Onko tena lebi a hona busa wonse go benya we wemba. No credit eba akope. Enti players na moti kroma aye kwa abrochi no. Aya sometimes rethink. Osa ba ye enne wabenya this endorsement deal a enne Kotoko kra no wasa benya bi a wo ba udi no esa wosa boni ye nko a udi ni bepida. Enso mo wo ho a ena ye kwa abrochi ekwan abo we fa so free Kotoko odwen ho ana onti ase but me de ache no Amoah you be my guy but asem no de no kra ne ye beka mo Kotoko na munya abotere na munya ye ko ha no and the Unilever and I sign as an ambassador for their products. Congratulations to you.